Hey ladies, I'm Renee with Well Diva Lifestyle, and today I am unboxing one of my favorites. I just got this from all the way from Sweden. I ordered online because I ran out of my favorite incense from Dubai. Visiting Dubai, I love the scents. Fell in love with it. I already was in love with the scents from living in Saudi Arabia. When I was a kid, I just loved the fragrances of their perfumes that they use over there, and the colognes, man. But in particular, I found out it's oud. I didn't know that until a few years ago. Oud, spelled O-U-D, a type of wood, and they use it a lot in the Middle East. And so when I got back from Dubai, I had my house smelling all Middle Eastern, and then after a while I ran out of the scent, and now that we're on lockdown I can't get over there. So, oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what this smells like. So they sent it from Sweden, but they got it actually in Saudi Arabia. So, interesting. Oh. Can't wait to smell this. Okay, so as you can see, maybe you can see it says made in Saudi Arabia. Can you see that? Got my tongue out like Charlie Brown. Oh, it smells heavenly. Man, this is nice. Oh, how cute. Comes with a little spoon. Oud rose. I've got this thing for oud and rose together anyway, so I just knew I would like this one. The one that I ran out of, I didn't find it until after I ordered this one, so I may order that one next time. Oh, and it's just all these little pieces of wood that you put in your incense burner. I'm looking in the wrong place. Put in your incense burner, oh, and it just has your house smelling the bomb. Ooh, I can't wait, I can't wait. Oh, Lord have mercy, that smells so good. Oh, Lord have mercy, that smells so good.
Oh, Lord have mercy, that smells so good.
It smells so, smell it. Oh my God, don't that smell good? Smells heavenly. Okay, so I ordered an incense burner because right now all I have is, what's the little thing with that you put the little votive light in the bottom? You put the little candle in the bottom. I could put it in there. That's more like an oil warmer. But I don't think it's gonna give off the fragrance that I want, like the volume. So I gotta wait until my incense burner comes. Another thing that you can do though, I messed up a pot doing this. You might want to use an old pot and put some water in it and put a couple of the wood chips in there and let it simmer. And it just lights up your whole house. Oh, but they have a whole like ritual, a whole like way that they do it. Like they take this, it's called bakur, right? This is the bakur wood chips. What they do though is they light the incense and then put their clothes over it so that the fragrance can get into their clothes. That's why, like when I was in Dubai, I'm constantly like, ooh, he smell good. Ooh, dang, he smell good.
Damn, why does this guy smell so good?
Because the scent is just all in the clothing from the smoke from the incense, and then they put the fragrance on top of that. So I bought the fragrance while I was in Dubai, but I bought the incense too and ran out, so I'm just glad to get that again. There's another one, I'm waiting for that one to come too. That one, I'm not sure where that one's coming from. I think that one's coming from England, but it's probably made in Dubai or Saudi or somewhere. So I'm gonna put in the notes, I'm gonna put below where I got this from, and then also some information on how to get it through customs, because that part I wasn't aware that I had to fill out a form, but fortunately I was able to get that no problem and got that done. And now I have my, oh, it's smelling so heavenly up in here, y'all, already. All right, see you next time.